trying to defend St. Louis because they'll throw at any time. There's
I rock all pink like Cameron. Say she in the back, no pants on. My stick, only thing. Take a stance on. Masseuse flow, damn right. 2 hands on. Might flip galaxy like Samsung. Finish her, finish me. No shame song. West Side, Tennessee. Where your man's from? 2 strands like grandson. Vaughn. R.I.P. She gon' take a shower. Okay, B.O.B. I'ma stuff a cone. Hit an incline. TAC. We gon' make a flick. Hop on T.O.P. She ain't gon' deny. She need my energy. And I ain't gon' deny. I was energy. I was in it, saying plenty things.
What's up, my people? I know it ain't y'all though, so wait a minute. Still doing this construction out here. Glad I ain't got no trailer on me. That would have been a real tight count. I'd have had to swing that thing. But anyway, today is my off day, y'all. We are dropping, or not dropping it off. I think I'm gonna wait up here. I should have called, but I wasn't even thinking. Honestly, I was on the phone. But yeah, about to take the truck up here to Big Shop Diesel in Venus, Texas. It's Big Shop Diesel in Venus, Texas. We gotta get a dyno done. Like I said, I'm gonna see if they let me record it. I know I was gonna try last time, but we didn't even get to get it done. But I'm gonna see if they let me record it. We're gonna see what they say. They probably won't. But you know, I'm gonna let them know I do YouTube. See if they, you know, I can do it. And get them. You know, I ain't got that many subscribers. But you know, it'll get them a little bit of little something for people who live in Texas or coming through Texas or something like that. But yeah, so we're gonna get up here and get it done. Let me call them real quick, let them know I'm about to pull up, and I'm gonna get right back with y'all. Alright, y'all. I just gave them a call. Let them know I was like a mile down the road, and it's like, yeah, go ahead and bring it in. So usually we got to get it up here and let it cool down, and then they go ahead and get it done. You know, I guess they want to start it from, you know, when it's kind of cool first. Start it from when it's, you know, the engine's not hot, basically, and then let, you know, do its thing from there so they can see everything. I think they should have put like a little stop sign right here also, because
keep left really, onto Chambers Street.
You know, I guess, yeah, you can kind of see it around. So, but anyway, yeah, man, we're gonna get up here. I'm gonna see it. Hopefully they let me record it, or you know, just a little bit of it at least, or something. You know, ooh, this is bumpy road. I ain't got no trailer on me either. I'm Bob telling. But that's a nice Audi. Yeah, so other than that, man, like I said, I'm moving this week from my apartment as well, so gotta do a lot of moving. Once I get done with this, we're going back up, and we're gonna start moving. Hopefully we'll be done by Wednesday. I think tomorrow we're gonna try and knock out the big stuff.
Your destination is on the right.
This is it right here. Yeah, they got something else back here in the back as well. I don't know what this is. Blue Star Utilities over here to the left. Then straight back. Look like they got some maybe gravel trucks or sand or something. That flatbed was actually parked. This one in front of me was actually parked here last time. But we are here, y'all. Yeah, I think they actually do truck parking here too. Man, Landstar drivers. Yeah, go to Landstar. Landstar KWs. And it's another Landstar truck. Y'all probably seen it as I was pulling up all the way down there at the end. They got a lot going on out here today. I'm guessing they want me to go ahead and park the Landstar trailer. Okay, so yeah, they got somebody in there already. So I'm just gonna pull up here to the front. Or maybe just find a little empty spot or something. Yeah, I'll probably just pull up here to the front, bag it in. Let them come out and grab it. Fit right in there beside this little food truck. Actually, wouldn't be a bad little food truck. Y'all, Big Shop Diesel. I just noticed they got a truck. Yeah, you can see right there. Yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, let's get in and make something shake. They got shirts and everything. Big Shop Diesel shirts.
So they are gonna let me record the Dyno. So, I'm happy about that. Got a mattress in here. Slow waiting room. Y'all, it's pretty nice slow waiting room. I wish they had some popcorn. I like popcorn, good popcorn. But yeah, they're gonna let me record the Dyno. So we're gonna record that process. Like I said, we gotta, once we get this done, hopefully, we find out what the issue is or any other issues we got. Where we can know something, kind of know where to go. So, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina under a state of emergency as Derby batters the Southeast. I honestly, when I was in the Carolinas and Georgia, I had a feeling because it was getting like off and on, rain and off and on. So I felt like something was about to happen. So I'm glad I got out there. But yeah, I'm trying to get this little issue fixed too, man. My with my hazmat. So I've already passed my hazmat test and everything. Now at Landstar, I got into the 15th, which she said I can get it extended for 2 weeks once it gets closer to the time, and I haven't gotten it resolved. But basically, passed all my tests, everything is good with hazmat department, Texas, and everybody else, fingerprints, background, all that good stuff. It's just TSA. I had an issue, y'all, with TSA. Went home. This was like 2021. Yeah, I think like July 2021. I had my pistol in my backpack. I forgot. I was driving with Southeastern, worked night shift. Had my pistol in my backpack, just in case anything happened. I was coming home taking a shower, pack my bag. It's one day of clothes. I was going to my mom's house to pick up my Titan because I sold my Camaro and I was bringing it back to Texas. As y'all can see in that little short story, no part of that story was me taking my pistol out my backpack. It was in the bottom. I packed my clothes in my backpack on top of the gun. Completely forgot about it. It was in my name. Don't get me wrong, it was my gun in my name. But my permit had just expired. So we're trying to work through that process because that with TSA is now on my TSA record basically. So TSA sent me something in the mail Friday. Right, so I got it Friday. Basically, you know, I gotta kind of see, you know, what's gonna be the next step to take. They have different options on there for me to appeal it or some other stuff, but I think basically I gotta appeal it. But I'm gonna talk to a lawyer probably tomorrow just to see what I should do because, you know, it didn't go anywhere. Wasn't convicted, but you know, I had no warrants or nothing like that out. So, you know, it's a first time thing. My lawyer that I had at the time told me that as long as they don't do nothing with that case in the first 2 years, they drop it. I don't know if that's an automatic drop or if we have to take it to court to drop it or something, or they gotta go do it or something like that. So I need to talk to a lawyer, see what I gotta do, what I gotta pay, make it happen, make some stuff happen. So that's what I'm gonna do. Probably do it today or make some calls. When I got the phone with y'all, I'm gonna make some calls. Kind of see what I need to do in that area. Other than that, man, that's pretty much it. Like I said, we're waiting on them to so we can do the dyno. We're gonna record their process, get back to the house, park the truck, and we're gonna start moving. I said hopefully we can be done by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I want to be chilling in the new apartment. Or not chilling, but you know, getting everything unpacked, setting up, all that good stuff. But I should be back on the road next Tuesday, the 13th. Yeah, ready to get my truck going. I'm on the truck. I'm excited about that. I'm still trying to see if I'm gonna put it on with Lane Star. I may end up taking it to another place. I think I am. I'm not gonna say may. Most likely, I'm gonna take it to this other spot. Try them out. If it don't work, then I come back to Landstar, pull step deck. But yeah, we'll see how it goes, man. Y'all stay up. I'm gonna get back with y'all in a little bit. I gotta make these calls to the lawyers. All right, y'all. So, truck is in the dyno. Boom. I don't think he started yet. He said he was trying to pressurize the system. And if y'all can see, had a little bit of a coolant leak down there. So I think he said it looked like it was just a hose or something because we just put on a new water pump. Maybe, you know, it was too much for the hose. It's been working off the old water pump for a while, so hopefully that's all it is, just a hose. But yeah, we're gonna see what he says and see what the dyno says. So I'm ready to see it work. It's gonna be pretty cool. I actually never seen a dyno in person at all, car or truck. So yeah, let's see what happens and y'all gonna see too. Alright guys, so I thought I was gonna go ahead and be able to get it done today. But no. We got a coolant leak. He pressurized it started leaking. And we got to get that figured out. So once they figure that out, say she'll be able to check it out tomorrow and probably get it dynoed tomorrow. But other than that, I won't be able to record it. But let y'all know what's going on with it. So my girl's on the way to come get me now. Finna chill out, and we'll go from there with it.
Hey, what's up, y'all? When y'all get here? Anyway, just to update y'all on my dyno situation. So they were able to do the dyno, just not while I was there, of course. The only thing that they came up with off the dyno was that this was a fleet truck before, or it looked like it used to be a fleet truck. So with that being said, they had the horsepower was rated at 400, or not rated, I'm sorry. The horsepower was rated at 455. Take these off real quick. They had it at 400. So the guy was like, that could be the issue. So he went in, changed some parameters and stuff like that, changed some stuff around in the system. I don't know. Actually, I was supposed to hear from them today, actually, now that I think about it. I gotta set me an alarm to call them back tomorrow. But I don't know if the guy bumped it back up to 455 horsepower. It feels like it's a little bit more powerful, but I don't know for sure if he did. So I'm gonna set me an alarm. I'm gonna call him back tomorrow. Call him back tomorrow morning. See what all he did when he went in and did his adjustments and stuff like that. Other than that, like I said, that's pretty much it. It didn't change nothing though. Whatever he did didn't change nothing. So I called him. Like I said, that's also part of the reason they're supposed to call me back today. Was because supposed to let me know what the next steps are. There's I want to talk to them, see what they think the next steps should be, pretty much. But also, I want to see. There's another person. They do work, computer programming and stuff like that. They pretty much go in, hook up to your truck. If you need a really fine tune to your truck, if you know what I mean, they can tune it for you. Any kind of tune you need, they can tune it for you. But it's a company called J Rush, I believe J Rush Diesel, out of Houston. But he has people in certain locations, and he has somebody in the Dallas location. So I wouldn't have to go all the way to Houston just to get in touch with him, or mess with him or nothing like that. So I set up a appointment with the guy that he has in Dallas, which actually he's in Plano, Texas, which is not far from me at all. So I believe I'm gonna be able to. He's gonna come up to where I got the truck parked at, and we will hook up to it. He's gonna check it out, run all the tests that he needs to on it, see how everything's performing. From the videos I've seen on their Instagram page, which I'll try and post it down here at the bottom, just so y'all can see it. But from the videos I've seen, I think they actually get out and ride with you as well. So that way they can kind of see how everything is doing and kind of see what it is, what the problem you're having is. Hey, Landstar driver, he got a generator on back of his truck too. Pretty cool. Got him a nice little peak. All right. I like it. I ain't the only one with a generator. I wonder if his is electric though. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna get with them September 5th. September 4th, we are getting our decals put on finally. I've been so busy, honestly, since I got out here. We've already paid half down on it. There's a place in Forney, Texas called Big J's Signs and something, or Big J's Decals and Signs, something like that. I had to find out what their information was as well, and I'll get that posted tonight, or posted in here as well. so y'all can see that. Or somewhere here, there, somewhere. But yeah, y'all can check out both of them. Like I said, I'm gonna record the process for both of them on the 4th for the sign, for the decals. You know, record that process, and then I'm also record the other guy, as long as he don't mind, which I don't think they will, because you know they got all that stuff posted anyway. I'll just be helping them out, get more business if I can. But yeah, so that'll be on the 5th, hooking up to the truck, checking it out, seeing if we need any reprogramming. He said it'd be $200 to hook up to it, and then if they have to do anything, if they have to do any reprogramming to the computers or anything on the truck, then it'll be $600 to $700. And that's including the 200. So $600 to $700 out the door if they got to do any reprogramming. So I'm cool with that. Like I said, we didn't find anything on the dyno with the issue we're having. So it seems like the transmission might have been doing pretty good. Turbo and engine, everything is doing pretty good. So you know, my only next step is to, like I said, first call the shop, or not first, but for one, get in touch with the shop, see what they talking about on the next steps with them. But also I want to get that other guy to check it out as well and kind of see what you know, what's going on with it, and see if I need any fine tuning, you know. But that's gonna be that. Like I said, that's just kind of what happened with the dyno. Also, I don't know how, but my refrigerator was unplugged when I picked the truck up from the dyno, from the shop. They said they didn't unplug it. There was no reason for them to have to unplug it, but the guy was like, maybe it vibrated out from the vibration of doing the dyno, which, you know, they put a lot of pressure and a lot of power to it doing the dyno, so it could have happened. I don't know, but I don't care about the food. But man, my truck stink. Now it doesn't smell so bad. You can still smell it a little bit, but every now and then I ride with the windows down and the vents open in the back. I've cleaned it out with vinegar. It was white vinegar, not cleaning vinegar or anything like that. So I cleaned it out with white vinegar. And then I put some baking soda and water in a bag. Got me a little scrub brush and scrubbed it down. I did that all like 2 or 3 times. Like I said, you can still smell it. The refrigerator's not so bad, but you can still smell it in the freezer. Only when you open it. So I don't know. Honestly, I don't even know. The refrigerator's working. The light comes on, and I got the setting back on what it was already on, but it's not getting cold. The refrigerator's not cold, and the freezer's not getting cold either. So I don't know. You can see it's still open. It's just not cold in there. So how you doing? As they land, start driving. Like, pretty cool guy. Yeah, so you can still smell it a little bit when you open it up, but it's not bad. I got some dryer sheets in there right now, y'all. Doing everything I can to get it fixed and get the smell out. But I think honestly I'm gonna have to take the refrigerator out. And there's a net in here.
You got it off from here?
Come on, land somewhere where I can key. Where'd he go? I thought he was on my steering wheel. Anyway, I done rolled with the windows down for like an hour and he ain't got out. Anyway, yeah, so I think I'm gonna have to take this. Oh, he's trying to help him back in up there. But yeah, I don't think that, I don't know, I might take this refrigerator out most likely. My brother has another one at the house. It just doesn't have a freezer, which is fine. I don't necessarily need a freezer, especially not in this truck, because I got a refrigerator in the truck already. It's just slim. Like, it's big enough. I put waters in there, but it's big enough to put waters, and it has a freezer. Freezer's a decent size, honestly. I can put other food in there as well, but I liked it just for my waters, basically, because I used to have an electric cooler. And with the electric cooler, I kept all my waters and my drinks in. I don't have that no more. So I was like, you know, I use this one for my water, since it's not that big, and I use this one for my food. now I don't have this one for my food because it's not getting cold anymore. So, got it. Should have left out when I tried to give you the chance. Play up. Where's my wipes at? Oh, they up here. But I gave my girl my what did I give her? My sanitizer. I gotta buy some new sanitizer. I keep forgetting. So right now I'm using these little wipes, you know, clean my hands and stuff when needed. But anyway, yeah. I was gonna go and leave out, but that truck's trying to bag in, and then there's 2 trucks lined up and another one coming. So anyway, what was I saying? Man, what was I saying? I done lost my train of thought. Messing with that bug. Let me think. Anyway, we'll keep rocking with wherever we was going with it. So what I was saying was, I think we're gonna take this refrigerator out. My brother has another one, and you look kind of close. I can't see what your side looking like, but I guess you got it. You can see what you see better than I can. But yeah, my brother has another refrigerator, so I think we're gonna end up taking this one out, try to find out what's wrong with it, see if we can get the smell out, and just go from there with it, man. Other than that, I got this guy that I was about to pull out, and he asked me was I about to leave out because he was parked in a reserve spot and I'm not. So I had to wait on him, which he's here now, but there's another driver that's over here trying to back in this spot across from me. Where you parking? You got it. But yeah, he's trying to get in this spot, so now I gotta wait on him to back in so that I can pull out, so that he can pull in, back in. Let's try to check my lights real quick. But anyway, like I was saying, I was trying to get to my receiver, my first receiver tomorrow or tonight, right about 9, because they open up at 7:30 from what it say on online on Google Maps. But I'm gonna end up making it there around 10:50, 11 o'clock. Should be all right. They got 50 pieces to offload anyway, so it might take them a little minute. Hopefully they don't mind me sitting there for a little minute as well to let my clock finish resetting. But yeah, so we'll be there tonight. Park on their lot. Other than that, I think I might have already said it, but I'll say it again for those who haven't watched previous videos or previous episodes, clips, whatever you want to call these. I guess we'll call them episodes. Whoever ain't watched the previous couple episodes or something, the White International I have, we're gonna take it to another company. Kind of made up my mind. I was supposed to do my application last night, finish it up last night. I'm gonna do it tonight for sure. But I ended up doing it. I ended up finishing a video last night, and then I fell asleep. So I was supposed to do both. But anyway, I done got a lot of rest, so I should be good when I get stopped tonight. Other than that, get back home this next time, man, I'm gonna stop by my brother's house, check on my white truck, my International white Walker, and should I call it white Walker or should I call it dope boy? Could be like a big Pillsbury dope boy, you know what I mean? I don't know. I think White Walker sound a lot more mean though. Cause it's mean now, y'all. Woo. Y'all gonna love it. When I get some GoPros to put on that thing, I seen some of these YouTubers, man, they get y'all some what's it called? What they call it? I can't think of what they call it, but get y'all a little Jake break, you know what I mean? We'll come up with something. We're gonna come up with a name for it. I give y'all a little bit of it every couple of videos. Let y'all get y'all chillers off, and then let you get your jollies off. But anyway, we're gonna take that truck to a new company. I'm not gonna be at Landstar for much longer. Hopefully everything goes smooth with this other company. I go ahead and get started on that. You know, hopefully we can find out something. Sorry about that. But like I said, hopefully by the end of this week, we can, already be getting some things done. Or know something. That way, you know, if I can run back through the house for a day or two next week, I possibly can. I got me another load after PA. I go to South Brunswick, New Jersey, going down to Jacksonville, Florida. So from there, I can possibly get me something over to the house. I think that's going to pick up on Wednesday. Yeah, that'll pick up Wednesday and deliver Thursday. Well, no, it picks up Wednesday and delivers Friday. But I should be able to deliver it on Thursday in the afternoon. So we'll see. You know, I might be able to get something Friday, delivering out that way on the following Monday or over the weekend or something. Might be able to get some stuff done, drug tests and everything like that, and get my certifications. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and get my certifications done. But yeah, so we'll work with that and go from there with it, man. So other than that, man, I'm about to call my lady and finish this trip out. I got 126 miles left before I get to my receiver in Knoxville. So y'all already know. Stay up, stay blessed.